What's up guys, I'm Spencer, back with another car video, and today we're going to be working on the Fiero. So the issue that I'm having with this car is the fan only works on high speed and occasionally kicks on intermittent speeds. So today we're going to be changing the blower motor resistor, and you guys are going to see how to do it on a car like this or any car. So essentially what a blower motor resistor does is it regulates the voltage to the blower motor or to the blower fan. So as you turn the knob from low up to high, it restricts or lets the certain amount of voltage go through so that the blower motor either blows lower, slower, or faster. So the issue I have with this car, as I'll show you. So we'll put it in gear, right? We'll turn the battery on. So right now the blower motor is working on low. But then when I turn it to high, it kind of whirs like that and then shuts off. See? Now low doesn't really work. That doesn't work. That one doesn't work. But high works. So that means the blower motor resistor is bad, needs replaced.
Nope.
And then it should blow on all speeds. So let's get to that and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so first you gotta go under the hood because that's where everything is located. So here's all the stuff that you're gonna need. So as you can see, there's the blower motor right there. There's the receiver dryer, and behind the receiver dryer, I don't know if you can see it with that little harness sticking out of it right there. That is the blower motor resistor right there. So you're just gonna take two bolts out at the top and the bottom, and they're both 7mm. So get yourself, focus, get yourself a long extension. And I'm going to take those out and I'm going to replace it with the new AutoZone blower motor resistor. This is a $30 part. Got it from AutoZone. If you want to know, this is the part number.
Nope.
I had to go to AutoZone and get the right part because the blower motor that I originally got was the wrong part and didn't fit because the pins didn't line up like the old ones did. So the new part I got right here, it is Duralast DR795 resistor, even though on AutoZone's website it said it didn't fit my car, which when I took the old one out, it looked exactly like this one. So AutoZone's full of shit. So there's the new one. Essentially the old one, this third prong right here, the one off to the right, wasn't off to the right, it was in line with all the other three. And the connector is designed to fit onto this one, not that one. And this is exactly the same as the old one. This should run on all speeds of the fan now. Should be fixed. Let's see. Alright, well that didn't work, so the next part is I'm going to take this thing apart and see behind there if I can fix anything. I really don't know what it is, unless it's a wiring issue. I have a feeling it might be this switch. So we'll see.
7 hours later.
So it turns out that what I originally thought was wrong with it was not the problem. The blower motor resistor is not the issue. It is something else. So what I did is I tested the blower motor. It receives power. I got 12 volts from my multimeter. So it receives power and it cuts out intermittently if you have it on the setting on the inside. So my thinking is it's the blower motor switch. So I went and bought a blower motor switch from Amazon Prime. Where's the part number? Here we go, right here. It is. That's the part number. So here's what we got. Alright guys, so we got the old part out. As you can see, the switch is not in there anymore. Here's the old switch, and this is what I believe was not working.
Nope.
I fixed the issue I had with the air motor, with the no air coming out of the vents, and I think it's something you're not going to really guess. It was not a bad switch. It was not a bad blower motor. It was not a bad blower motor resistor. It was a bad relay. This is the AC power relay, and this is the original one. If it gets to focus, that's what it was. So it is, if you go into the front hood of the Fiero, it is this one. It's got the two brown wires, the black and the pink. So what I did is there's two relays here. This one is the high-speed fan. This one controls only this fan on high speed. So I took that one and put it here. So that's where that one goes to. And then the AC power one's right there, because this one's good. I hooked it up and air comes out of the vents. So I tore apart the dash for nothing. But what that means is I'm going to put the original switch back in the dash, keep the old one just in case, put the dash back together. It really wasn't that hard, just a couple of 7mm screws and a 1/4" screw holding on the switch. And then I gotta go to AutoZone and get a relay for like 10 bucks. And that'll solve the problem. The inside of this one's fine. And then we go to this one, and this was the old AC power, so this one controlled all the fan speeds. And as you can see, it's a little corroded in there. So that corrosion is what caused it to not blow air. Because it made sense, because this thing would short out. It would have no air when I turn it on, and then 10 minutes later as I drive the car, the air would randomly turn on. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever you want to do, and I will see you on the next one.